BlueSkyBio is providing an exclusive offer to BlueSkyBio Implant customers: free surgical guides and free crowns for all your BlueSkyBio Single Implant Cases. Digital design and manufacturing is included in the free crown and free surgical guide offers. The digital design will be sent to you for approval prior to manufacturing. BlueSkyBio is committed to leveraging technology and innovation, delivering state-of-the-art dental solutions that elevate the quality of patient care while simultaneously reducing costs. We are able to provide these exceptional offers by harnessing our expertise in implant and parts manufacturing, AI-driven digital planning, and our online lab work ordering platform. Email info@blueskybio.com to get your coupon code for the free surgical guides and crowns, and visit blueskybio.digital/free offers to learn more and get started today.